Good morning, everyone. Looking for a brunch adventure in Atlanta? Well, in just a second, you're going to find out one of the best brunch spots that I've found with a big twist. As you know, Sunday brunch is one of my favorite things to do. So here we are, heading down 285 past Sandy Springs. There's the King and the Queen. And we're heading off on Peachtree Industrial Boulevard. And now we have arrived at our fabulous destination. Can't wait to show you where we are. This is going to be a lot of fun. You guys are going to love it. I know you are. It really is one of my favorite places to head to. So, I think we gave it away. I think you saw where we're going. So New York has their Chinatown. Welcome to Atlanta's version of Chinatown. Just right here, 5 minutes from Brookhaven, in the heart of Chamblee. Here we are, my favorite spot for a Sunday brunch with a twist. Oriental Pearl Seafood Restaurant. And if you notice, the sign says Daily Dim Sum. And I'm meeting my daughter and little sweetie pie. Okie dokie. Okay, wave. Hey, all right, let's go. Let's have brunch. All right, so here we go. So here we are at Dim Sum, and we are in Chinatown, which is very, very cool. The Oriental Pearl, which is known for its dim sum. So this is the best place to have your Sunday brunch with a little bit of a twist. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, or not. So that you can see the restaurant and what we ate. Our plates are a little empty, so hold on.
Okay, Boomer.
Oh my goodness. So delicious. The tea today was amazing. This is the room that we're sitting in, which is fabulous. And I think, believe it or not, that the room was set up. Oh, there's my daughter. I think the room was set up because of, it looks like they may have had a wedding here over the weekend or something. Because actually, if you go up here, you have, see, that's where the reception table usually is for the group. So very cool. So anyway. So here's to a dim sum cheers. Chin chin. Wait a minute. So here's one of our waiters. Say hi. And then here's some of the stuff that they serve you, that you get to pick from. Here are some more delicacies that they give you. There's some fried rice and some spring rolls, and it's all brought around on these little carts by these wonderful folks. Dim sum. Oh, okay. So
No, I want a picture. What?
Picture?
Oh, what? No.
Okay, and remember, last part of the meal, gotta get your fortune cookie. So, if you're looking for an amazing place to have brunch on Sunday and you want a little twist, Oriental Pearl in Chamblee, just on the outskirts of Brookhaven in Atlanta, is a fabulous place to go. All right, see you next Sunday. Bye for now.